So you finish your assignment, and now it's time to turn it in. Here's how you go about doing that. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go back to the assignment here in your weekly agenda. All right, and I'm going to choose something that actually has an assignment that you would have saved after downloading versus something that you would have just created on your own. All right, so here we have something that you would have downloaded, okay, your Word document, your plot diagram. You're going to click on that blue button, okay, and that's going to take you down here. You got to scroll down to get to the uploading options. Now, you're going to have 3 different ways that you can upload your file. Okay, there's the Office 365, which is going to take you to your OneDrive online access. When you click on Login, okay, it's going to take you back to your student email login. Okay, remember, your student email is your lunch number at stu.gcsnc.com. Now, I can't show you that on this view because I'm in a generic student view and it doesn't actually have a login. So you can click on this and it will take you to your OneDrive account online. Okay, same here with your Google Drive. If you're using your school Google Drive, it will allow you to connect here. Now, if you're using a personal Google Drive, I do not think it will allow you to connect. Right? But these will allow you to access that way depending on how you're accessing those files. I would say 90% of the time you're going to use this file upload, and you're going to click on the choose file here. Okay, and that's going to connect you to your documents. Now here's where you really got to pay attention, because usually it's going to take you to this quick access button. Okay, and you'll see all these recent files that you have accessed. The problem though is that you're going to access these as downloads, okay? And so that's before you've typed on them. Okay, so if I click on this plot diagram for assessment, what that's going to upload is the file before I have typed in it, instead of after I have completed the document. So what I need to do is I need to come over here and click on the OneDrive access or your document access. Okay, once you've clicked on that, then you can search for that title. Now, depending on how many documents you have, you can always type it in your search bar. Okay, so here's the most recent file, the one I'm looking for, and I can tell because it has my last name here in the naming. Then I can click on open here and it will attach the file that I'm looking for. I can then click here on submit. It'll take a moment, but then I can see up here in the top of the screen, my big blue button has changed to, instead of saying submit assignment, it allows me to say resubmit, and over here I can see that I have submitted and a date and time. Okay, whenever you're submitting an assignment, make sure that you can see these items as finished before you move on. Okay, and that's how you know you've submitted your work.